warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and greetings everyone. My name is Nur Ibn Afiqah binti Muhammad Sori F22P008 and this is my friend Nur Anis Elia binti Nur Hasmadi. So, today we will be presenting a case study entitled Smart Cluster Management using UAV and IoT networks, focusing on an innovative system implement in the Qinghai Tibet Plateau. This study showcases how modern technologies can solve real-world challenges in livestock grazing. So, what is smart pasture management? Smart pasture management is the integration of technology such as drones, IoT, GPS collars, and also satellite system to monitor and manage grazing lands. It also enhances livestock tracking, improve the pasture utilization, and also support sustainability of farming practice, especially in large or remote grazing areas.
Alright, so for the scope of the study, so the study takes place at Qinghai Tibet Plateau, which is an extremely vast and mountainous region. So, the researchers introduced a three-layer system, which is a combination of satellite data, UAV drones, and also ground sensors. So the objective is to monitor yak grazing in an area with no mobile network coverage.
The problem with the traditional method of managing yaks was inefficient and also dangerous. Due to the harsh terrain and absence of modern signals, herdsmen often lost up to 10% of their animals, and also manual search could take hours or even days. This not only endangered the animals but also put the safety of the herdsmen at risk. So, to overcome this challenge, the researchers developed the SAG GIoT system, which stands for Space Air Ground Grazing Internet of Things. Each yak will be fed with a GPS and LoRa collar, and drones act as a flying base station, relaying signal from the animal to the satellite. And then all of this data was accessible through a mobile app, allowing the herdsman to locate and monitor their animal in real time, even in remote zone.
Okay, so as we can see here is the comparison of searching time for two methods, which is the traditional methods and also the smart system. So for the traditional method, it may take about 3 to 8 hours to find the lost animal. Meanwhile, for the smart system, it will take less than 1 hour to find the lost animal. And the drones, it can fly and cover the area within 30 kilometers of coverage, and um, the battery may last for 42 minutes per flight, which is that they can find the animal more quick rapid. Alright, next, as for the conclusion, smart pasture system is significantly improved the grazing management in one of the harshest environment on earth, and it can reduce lost animal and also save time and improve the safety, while the solution is more scalable, practical, and also affordable in remote communities. While and also, as we can see, it is one of the perfect example of how livestock farming can support both productivity and sustainability in agriculture sectors. So